Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, the risks agriculture faces in developing countries. First 1 to 3 questions are to find out the paragraph from which these statements have been taken. First statement is a reference to characteristics that only apply to food production. ऐसी characteristics जो सिर्फ food production में apply होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Two things distinguish food production from all other productive activities. First, every single person needs food each day and has a right to it, and second, it is hugely dependent on nature. These two unique aspects, one political, the other natural, make food production highly vulnerable and different from any other business. So this statement is of paragraph A. Next question is a reference to challenges faced only by farmers in certain parts of the world. World के कुछ certain parts में farmers ने जो challenge face किया. Let's see in the paragraph. Smallholder farmers in developing countries must in addition deal with adverse environments, both natural, in terms of soil quality, rainfall, etc. So this statement is taken from paragraph B. Next question is a reference to difficulties in bringing about cooperation between farmers. Farmers में सहयोग करवाने में आने वाली difficulties. Let's see in the paragraph. One commentator, Galton, warned that collective action does not come as a free good. It takes time, effort and money to organize, build trust and to experiment. So this statement is taken from paragraph H. Next 4 to 9 questions are to match the statements with list of people. First statement is, financial assistance from the government does not always go to the farmers who most need it. फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस जो गवर्नमेंट फार्मर्स के लिए देती है वो हमेशा फार्मर्स तक नहीं पहुंचती. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. रॉके कबीर, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ बांग्लादेश नारी प्रगति संघ, commented in her essay that these have not compensated for stranglehold exercised by private traders. In fact, studies show that 60% of beneficiaries of subsidies are not poor, but rich landowners and non-farmer traders. So its answer is Roque Kabir. Next question is, farmers can benefit from collaborating as a group. Farmers को collaborate करने का benefit हो सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. According to Murphy, collective action offers an important way for farmers to strengthen their political and economic bargaining power, and to reduce their business risks. So its answer is Sophia Murphy. Next question is, financial assistance from the government can improve the standard of living of farmers. गवर्नमेंट की फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस से फार्मर्स का लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड इंप्रूव हो सकता है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. Schengen Fan, Director General of the International Food Policy Research Institute, held up social nets and public welfare programs in Ethiopia, Brazil and Mexico as valuable ways to address poverty among farming families and reduce their vulnerability to agriculture shocks. So its answer is Schengen Fan. Next question is, farmers may be helped if there is financial input by the same individuals who buy from them. जो लोग फार्मर्स से खरीद करते हैं अगर उनके द्वारा फाइनेंशियल इनपुट किया जाए तो फार्मर्स को हेल्प मिल सकती है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. सिमिलरली, Sonali Bisht, founder and advisor to the Institute of Himalayan Environmental Research and Education, India, wrote that community-supported agriculture, where consumers invest in local farmers by subscription and guarantee producers a fair price, is a risk-sharing model worth more attention. So its answer is Sonali Bisht. Next question is, government can help to reduce variation in prices. Government price के variation को reduce करने में help कर सकती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Sophia Murphy, senior advisor to the Institute for Agriculture and Trade Policy, suggested that the procurement and holding of stocks by governments can also help mitigate wild swings in food prices by alleviating uncertainties about market supply. So its answer is Sophia Murphy. Next question is, improvements to infrastructure can have a major impact on risk for farmers. Farmers के risks पे infrastructure improve करके असर डाला जा सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. In his essay, Kanayo F. Nawaz, president of the International Fund for Agricultural Development, argued that government can significantly reduce risks for farmers by providing basic services like roads to get produce more efficiently to markets, or water and food storage facilities to reduce losses. So its answer is Kanayo F. Nawaz. Next 10 and 11 questions are to choose two problems which affect farmers with small farms in developing countries. डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में स्मॉल फार्म्स वाले फार्मर्स को आने वाली दो समस्याएं. Let's see in the paragraph. Smallholder farmers in developing countries must in addition deal with adverse environments. Next answer is, some participants explained that market price volatility is often worsened by the presence of intermediary purchasers who, taking advantage of farmers' vulnerability, dictate prices. So its first answer is, the effects of changing weather patterns. Next answer is, having to sell their goods to intermediary buyers. Next 12 and 13 questions are to choose two actions recommended for improving conditions of farmers. Farmers की conditions को improve करने के लिए कौन से दो action suggest किए गए हैं? Let's see in the paragraph. In order to apply what we already know, all stakeholders, including business, government, scientists and civil society, must work together, starting at the beginning of the value chain. Next answer is, community-supported agriculture where consumers invest in local farmers by subscription and guarantee producers a fair price as a risk-sharing model worth more attention. So its first answer is, organizing cooperation between a wide range of interested parties, and next answer is, encouraging consumers to take a financial stake in farming. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.